Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some very awesome miniatures from Wild West Exodus from War Cradle Studios. First up we've got the Nzambu snake. Now this is a resin miniature, and as you can see, if I can just zoom in, it looks wonderful. Really lovely miniature. I'll just turn the light down a bit because it might be a bit bright. Let's see if we can bring it in a bit. And as you can see, the sculpting and the details on this miniature look just stunning. Really do, guys. Now, this miniature is from, well, it can be from several factions, to be honest, guys. It could be for the Outlaws, Hex, or the Enlightened. So it can be used for multiple factions. And I'm going to be doing a painting tutorial on one of the two miniatures that I'm going to show you, so I need you to decide whether you prefer me to paint the Nzambu I should say snake, or the next miniature, which is the legendary Marie Laveau. Now check this out, guys. If this isn't an epic mini, I don't know what is, guys. And here's the box art for the miniature. I'll just zoom out for a second. And as we can see, the factions that this is for is just for the Hex. They have QR codes on the side so you can get up the instructions to build these, but I didn't need no instructions to build this miniature, to be honest, guys. It was that simple and straightforward. So guys, let me know what you think of the miniatures in the comments field below. I want to say a huge thank you to War Cradle Studios, who sent me the miniatures out for review. I think they're awesome and I just cannot wait to paint them. So, which one am I going to do a tutorial on? Isn't it going to be the legendary Marie Laveau, or is it going to be the Nzambu snake? I'll let you guys decide in the comments field down below. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.